I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You need a clean starting point. Make sure your device time, date, and time zone are set to automatic, because mismatches break verification. Once done, connect to a reliable Wi-Fi or cellular network and temporarily turn off VPN or proxies to avoid certificate issues. Next, sign in with your Apple ID credentials and ensure you can receive codes on a trusted device or phone number. You'll use those immediately when prompted. If signing in still fails, sign out of your Apple ID in Settings, then restart the device to clear transient errors. After reboot, sign back in and attempt verification again. If network or certificate errors remain, reset network settings. This clears problematic DNS or proxy entries. Also inspect your Apple ID account at Apple.com. Verify two-factor authentication devices and trusted phone numbers, and remove stale devices. Doing this helps ensure verification codes. After the prior steps, update iOS or Mac OS and any carrier settings because outdated system certificates can block verification. Try signing in again. Make sure you enter codes exactly as shown. If you still can't verify, start account recovery or contact Apple support. Have your device serial number and proof of purchase handy. One key tip: if you lose trusted access, begin recovery immediately, because delays reduce chances.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.